context and state management in React. Let's make it super simple, and you'll never fear it again. All right, imagine you have a small app. You have a parent component and a child component. Passing data from parent to child using props, that's easy. But now, imagine you have a deeply nested structure: parent, child, grandchild, great-grandchild, and so on. Passing props all the way down, it becomes messy, confusing, and frustrating. This is called prop drilling. And that's where Context API comes to the rescue. Context lets you share data globally, without passing props at every level. It's like creating a global store that any component can access easily. All right, let's build one together. In your SRC folder, create a new folder called Context. Inside it, create 3 files: useContext.js, parent.js, and child.js. First, in useContext.js, write import React from React, const userContext equals react.createContext. Export default userContext. Here, we are creating a new context object. Simple. Now, in parent.js, write import React, useState from React, import userContext from /userContext, import child from ./child. Function parent, const user set user equals useState, code with me learner. Return userContext.provider value user, div styled parent component h1 child div. Export default parent. Here, we wrapped everything inside userContext.provider. We're providing the value of user to all components inside. Now, in child.js, write JS, import React, useContext from React, import userContext from /userContext. Function child, const user equals useContext userContext. Return div style margin top 20px. Welcome, user. Export default child. Here, we're using useContext to access the user value without passing any props manually. So clean and easy. Now in app.js, update it to import React from React, import parent from /context parent. Function app, return div parent div. Export default app. Save everything. Open your browser at /localhost 3000. You'll see welcome code with me learner in the child component. And we didn't pass props through parent-child manually. All thanks to Context API. Drop a like, subscribe to Code with Me, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next big videos.